Hello children, good morning to you everyone. Today we are going to our first lesson, that is chapter 1, going to school. So how did you go to school? So nowadays we are using different types of vehicles. For example, bike, car, van, bus, auto, rickshaw, whatever it is. So in our regions it is properly. Okay, but in some regions we couldn't use such type of vehicles. So not only in all the seasons, but in some seasons we have to use some different ways we have to reach the school. For example, in rainy season or in some villages we use bamboo bridges. So how it is useful to us means it is useful to cross small canals. So in rainy season sometimes after the rain there is knee high water everywhere. So for that they use bamboo bridge. So how did you move on that? Here we hold our books in one hand and bamboo with other hand. So here we walk very carefully. So here it is possible to walk on the bridge without slippers. Why? Because it gives grip to our feet. Then we walk properly. So we quickly cross the bamboo bridge to reach the school. So, and in some muddy regions, బురదగా ఉండే ప్రదేశం. So, how did you walk in muddy regions? We couldn't walk properly in muddy regions. So, for that, we have to collect some bricks and lay them on the ground in a line. So, it is easy to cross the muddy area without any trouble. So, if we arrange like that means we walk properly and we reach from one place to other without any trouble. Okay children, so next one, trolley. So did you see anywhere this type of vehicle? We see such type of vehicles in mountain regions and wide and deep river regions. So it is useful to carry people from one side to other. Here there is a strong iron rope across the river. So on both the sides it is tied tightly, so with strong trees or rocks. Here trolley is an open box made of wood and attached with the rope. Here a pulley helps the trolley to move across the road. So 4 or 5 members sit in the trolley to reach the other side of the river or mountain in a short time. Here pulley. So pulley is used to lift heavy things and hosting flag. So that means here what is the use of pulley? Pulley is used to lift heavy things and hosting flag. Okay children, so next one, cement bridge. So if we want to cross the canals or rivers, whatever it is, so how could we cross that? So definitely we need a bridge. So what kind of bridge it is? It is cement bridge. So if we want to cross rivers or canals, definitely we use cement bridge. Why? Because it is strong and wide and a safe bridge when compared to bamboo bridge. It is strong and safe, and also it is useful to cross heavy vehicles also, like lorry, tractor, such type of vehicles also cross easily. So these are made of cement, bricks, iron rods, sand, and small stones. Okay, children, it is safe to cross the water bodies. So next one, valve. So here valve means small wooden boat. Small wooden boat. In some parts of Kerala, they use a valve to reach school. So not only in Kerala, in our region, Rajahmundry, River Godavari. If we want to go to Patsima means we use boat from this side to that one. So that is Vallam. So but in Kerala they are often use boats. Why? Because there so many water bodies. That's why they use Vallam to go to school or to carry people or goods, whatever it is. Okay. In Kerala they use Vallam. Vallam means small wooden boat. Okay. So next one, camel cart. Camel cart. Here camel is known as ship of the desert. Why do we call like that? Means in desert regions they use camel cart. Why do we call camel is a ship of the desert? Means in desert regions it is very hot. We couldn't walk properly in such type of areas. So, but in desert regions, camel walk very, uh, very, it walk properly without any trouble. So for that it has some adaptations, means thick eyelashes, double eyelids, such type of adaptations. That's why it work very easily in desert regions. That's why they use camel cart to reach the school. Next, bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. If it is so sunny or raining, we use umbrellas. In villages, if they want to carry goods, people, whatever it is, they use bullock carts. Sometimes if they go to school means they also use bullock carts to reach the school. So here, Jugaad. Did you saw such type of vehicles in our areas? Where some uh, some regions means it is called as motorcycle, bike van or electronic rickshaw. So here it is made of some waste materials. So it looks in front part of this vehicle looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. That's why it is called as motorcycle or bike van or electronic rickshaw. In Gujarat, it is called as Jugaad. It has been made by using waste material. It is useful to carry people or goods from one place to other. Next, in jungle regions or in forest regions. So we have to go through a thick forest to reach school. At some places it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. So when we walk such type of areas, we listen some sounds of animals like tiger, lion, such type of animals. So in such situations we are afraid. So if we want to move in such regions means definitely we feel fear. Okay children, next so that is mountains, snow mountains. So here snow mountains we see in movie songs. If we go to school through miles of snow, how can we move? So for that we hold our hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. If it is frozen, we may slip and fall down. So, for that, we hold hands and walk carefully. So, in this picture, the surface is uneven. If we live in mountains, the paths are rocky and uneven. Uneven means so not plain. So the children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these, but we can easily race up and down. That means in rocky surfaces it is to face some trouble to walk on the uneven surfaces. Okay, children? So this is our first lesson, going to school. So in this we saw different types of transport, means a trolley, jugaad, camel cart, bullock cart, such type of vehicles to reach school or to carry goods, whatever it is. Okay, children, are you understood? Okay. Thank you.